Nice one, Powerflex, sorting me out. Let's go get these installed. Let's have a little look at them, go grab them. Don't know what they are.
Just shims.
Mmm, delicious. Oh, they feel solid as hell. Let's go to Riches, get some more stuff on the car sorted out. This is part 5.
I guess I always fall for your type. The one with the ass just right, but she just ain't gon' treat you right. I introduced you to my family, they all said that you was nice. Just playing when I said I had to watch her, but it turns out I was right. Call it premonitions or intuitions, blinded by that fat ass that I already mentioned. When I make commitments, shit, I like to keep them. Even if I was creeping, shit, I can keep a secret. But everything's out in the open. You been in the streets creeping, freaking on some hoe shit.
Okay, so we're on our way to RKR Automotive, where my main man Rich is going to sort us out with the bushes. Now, a big shout out to Powerflex for sending me these bushes. The link down to Powerflex in the description if you need some bushes doing. Obviously, a car of my age, the bushes are going to wear out now, and obviously my handling's piss poor, to be fair. Doing the bushes, obviously a really good idea, and it will also help with uneven tyre wear, which is affecting handling, which is not good. You're gonna have a bad time. So yeah, we'll just put it up to Rich's now. I'm gonna go get it fitted. It'll cost you for an E92. It cost me 80 quid, something like that. So 40 quid for both. So yeah.
What are you saying? Oh, you good? Yeah, I'm alright. What are you saying?
Carl, Iceman 86 HD.
Iceman 86 HD.
Is that nice?
For all of you. There we go.
And here we see a B.A. Blake's in his natural habitat.
Fixing his piece of shit.
Trying to fix the money pit that he calls his bay.
The money pit. What's the first thing? I Rich take down the Charleston, yeah?
Yeah, mate, take it off and then undo the bushes at that end, undo these ones. Hopefully they won't be too seized.
So you want to do, what's this one? What's this called?
Ball joint.
Ball joint. So what do we have here? What do we have here?
That's your arm, and that's your
So this is the
soft and useless bush.
So this shouldn't be moving at all.
It does move.
Yeah, it should be
just
limited, but obviously with the car on it.
They get soft.
Yeah,
that's the biggest problem. And
To the rubber compound.
when that's there, and you've got all the force of the brakes steering. It's look at how easy it is to sort of move that. That's just me.
Well, while the car's obviously getting the wheels off, I'm just going to give them a clean on the inside. See the tyre, as you can see, absolutely bald as hell. Look at that. Nothing. It's a shame really, because obviously here I've got about 2 or 3 mil of tread left. So yeah, just going to give them a clean on the inside while they're off.
Yeah, it's one of them jobs really, you want to tackle all at one hit, don't you?
Yeah, exactly. It's so labour intensive to get into there, I want to do it in one go.
Yeah, doing it twice is not really a viable option, is it really? Yeah, that's it. Actually fits to cut it nice, yeah, so you want to press it through nice though. Just cut a slit in it, it goes weak and you just tap it out. It's just a weak in the frame, so it pops out. You can normally press it out, but sometimes it snags.
I just don't want to get in his way. Yeah, can't stop the man from working.
There they are.
Yes, indeed. So now the fun starts. We put the new bushes in, and then as soon as they're pressed in, just straight installing on the next side, isn't it?
Yep.
So it's just that, and then obviously a repeat of the second side, and add the tray back on, and it's all good. Wheels on. Thank you, Rich, RKRAUTOMOTIVE. So easy to put that part on then.
Yeah, cool, the threads are fine, innit?
Nice. This would be a ball ache of a job if you're doing it on a driveway, wouldn't it?
But you couldn't even do it.
You might get lucky and it might hold the torque bit that goes in the bottom there, so you can hold it still. It may hold, but just going to sit together, breaking the ends off.
I've got to email PC Racing and said they give me half price.
Then drop it there as well, haven't we?
Hey? What's this?
Stabiliser link's bent now, that side.
Both bent?
Yeah, I guess.
What?
Look at this.
Hang on.
This is your anti-roll bar.
Yeah.
Look at this rod.
Yeah.
It stands directly underneath it. Look up.
Yeah.
Dead straight.
Oh yeah, good fucking power.
They're in the alley. It doesn't take much.
Jeez.
Right.
All done?
You're pushed.
Right, let me wheel.
Just have a...
Be seeing this shot of me rolling out this workshop quite a lot. Alright, Rich has just showed me this car. What's it called, Rich? What?
Z1.
It's a Z1. Now check out the doors on this thing because it's insane. Alright, go on and do it. What the hell? That's insane, isn't it? That is mad. How much is this thing then? 50 grand.
Yeah.
Jesus Christ. Done and dusted at RKR. Thanks, Rich. Nice one for sorting it out, mate. Wasn't very much talking in that, but you're going to be able to, you know, if you want to do it yourself, I think it might be a little bit difficult with some elements to do it on your driveway, but it's going to help with the steering. It's going to help with obviously even tyre wear. So yeah, overall not a bad thing for 80 quid. Yeah, that's part 5, part 6. Don't really know what coming in part 6 yet. I'll have to figure out, try and get some money together. And yeah, next video is going to be probably Blake rates. So yeah, once again, email down in the description. Send us in a few pictures of your car, with your name and obviously your social media and stuff like that. And I guarantee you will feature on my channel because there's not that many entries. So yeah, you will be involved. You will be in the video. So yeah, send us your car. Send us a little like mod list. I'll rate it to see what I think about it. Give you my personal opinion. And yeah, hopefully see you soon on Blake Rates. But yeah, thanks for watching, and that's it for today's video.